That's a sound you should be listening to every morning, gentlemen, when you wake up. It's a proper way to start the morning. Double cup. What up, tube? So I'm headed to the shop now. It's about 8:15. Still early. One of the guys is already there. So he already beat me there. You know, they say, guys, early bird gets the worm. If you ain't up right now, something wrong with you. Should already be up, ready to go to work, man. If not, you should already be at work. Come on, guys. You guys gotta. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about getting out of your comfort zone. You know, I know I made a vlog about this already, and that day when I made that vlog, I was talking about, you know, it was kind of issuing it towards somebody because my daughter didn't want to compete in a barber battle that we were doing. So I made that video, and it's kind of directed at her. She got the hint out of it, but you know, it was a good video because it explained about getting out of your comfort zone. And today I kind of want to discuss the same thing again. I want to discuss a little bit, not about competing and stuff like that, but you know, taking chances, guys, taking risks. Because in this world, in this business, in this life, if you don't take risk, then guess what? You're never going to advance. You're never going to get forward. You know, you're going to get comfortable in what you're doing. And you're going to get comfortable in your life that you have right now. And that's all that that's all that's going to be, you know? Like, do you want to get, you know, do you want to succeed? Do you want to get higher up in the food chain? Then guess what? Then you need to work harder and you need to take chances. You know, I explained to you guys in one of my videos also about how I got my shop. And, you know, it was a chance that I took. You know, I was comfortable somewhere and I had to leave that spot to open up a brand new spot and, you know, step out of that comfort zone and take that chance, you know, and it's been very successful. And, you know, and my business is I've already been open 9 years, and I've been the sole owner for 5 years. So, you know, guys, what I'm trying to say right now is that I need to step out of my comfort zone because I've been comfortable here at my own shop for so long now that I feel that it's not going any further and it's not advancing. I'm sitting here struggling, trying to get barbers to work for me. I mean, we're consistently busy. That's a great thing. I mean, I can't complain about that. But it's just it has to go farther than this. And you know, I have other motivations. I want to educate. You already know that. That's my saying. I want to educate and motivate. And one of my lifelong dreams is to own my own school. I want to do my own barber school here in my own city. So, you know, I got to take that next step, because if I don't hurry up and take that next step, then I'm going to continue to just being comfortable here, you know. And so I'm going to be looking for a school so I can get my instructor's license. I think that's the next step. Once I get my instructor's license, and I can think about opening, expanding, and maybe opening a barber school, because I know I have what it takes to educate, but it's just putting it all in the steps that need to be created. And that's what I mean by, you know, motivating and educating. I want to be there for you guys. I want to be able to teach younger cats how to make money. You know, guys that are coming out of school and you know, they don't have the resources or the brains to go to college, you know, and they got to be able to do something. And then this is a job for this job. Anybody can do this job, and it's a great job. You can make a great living out of it, and you know, and take care of yourself, take care of your family. But you know, you got to be able to put it all together, you know. And for some of you younger guys, the first step is getting your barber's license, you know. Man, I've been watching these videos lately, man, and I'm trying to build up my channel. I got 361 subs right now, and I see these guys with 8,000 subs and 7,000 subs, and you know, and I noticed that, you know, they're talking about their shops, and they're talking about they've only been in the business for a year or two, you know, 3 years, some of them, you know. And it's crazy because some of them started this YouTube thing when they were in school. So now they got all these subs, and you know, they're way ahead of the game. They're extremely ahead of the game. And You know, it's because they take chances, and that's what it takes, guys. We all have to take chances. If we want to succeed, if we want to do good, if we want to advance, then guess what? We need to take chances. All right, guys, I'm gonna head to the shop, start off this day, and then we'll see what we get into. I'm gonna post some videos, and we'll get into this day, guys. Happy Friday. Grind on, guys.
Running back, you can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back, I'll come running back to you.
It's about 12:30 right now. Headed to the bank again. Get some lunch. Get back in there. It's been so-so today. Not crazy busy, but the boys are staying real busy. I've been kind of slacking off and just hanging out. Let them do the haircuts. Today's not an extremely busy day. It's kind of weird, but it's okay. It's still kind of early. Usually I'll pick, when it's days like this, it picks up in the afternoon, but I hope it don't pick up too much today because I gotta leave a little early today. I'm trying to get out of the shop today by 4:30 because my granddaughter's graduating from preschool, so they're doing a ceremony and a whole thing, so I'm trying to get over there. So hopefully I'll be able to do that so I could go enjoy that, but I should be able to get out of there. But today's been a pretty good day. I mean, so far so good. Everybody's working, so let's get this day keep rolling, guys. Talk to you guys in a bit. Just to reflect on what we were talking about, we were talking you know, about not getting too comfortable and not progressing, guys. You know, we have to all progress. And progressing, what I mean by progressing is getting to the level where you need to be, financially secure, maybe at home, maybe getting your barbershop, you know. But everybody has to have goals, and those goals change, you know. I've already been a barbershop owner for 5 years. I've had this shop already for 9 years. So, I mean, it's just time to advance and get to the next step. So, my next step, I think, is going to be opening a school. So, in order to do that, I have to progress myself and prepare myself. So, I need to get my instructor's license first. That's the first step. Go in there, find a school. Once I find a school, then I gotta enroll, and then I gotta go in there and do my 600 hours. That's what it is, 600 hours of training. And basically, I know 600 hours is giving up 600 hours at my shop to go work at somebody else's shop, which is the reason why I haven't done it to this date. You know, it's a big sacrifice to have to leave my shop on Saturdays and Fridays to go work at another shop for free, basically, you know. But you know, everybody has to make sacrifices again. So it's going to be something that I'm going to have to endure and just do it, you know. So I'm going to take you along the process with me. We're going to look for schools and see what I can find and maybe go do an interview. And I'm going to try to get myself enrolled and get it over with. Hopefully get the 600 hours in by Christmas time. So we'll see what we stand there, and let's go through the process. So right now I'm going to head back to the shop right now and finish up this day. Probably take you guys with me to the performance tonight for the graduation to give you a little glimpse of what's going on. Something just tell you, you know me, guys. This channel is about barbering, but it's also about my life, you know, and it's the things that I go through. So sometimes I share a lot of personal stuff, but I like to share it to you guys because, you know, having a good life and living a good life and good wholesome life is important when you're a barber man, a barber businessman. So you know, I just like to live by example, and hopefully, you know, some of you guys follow suit, and you know, you guys do it up too and make it big, you know, make it bigger, you know. So sharing that with you guys. I'm gonna go back to the shop now, finish up this day. We'll talk a little bit later. Got out of work right now. It is still early. It's only 4:30 p.m. but I left a little early because today is my granddaughter's graduation from preschool, so I'm gonna go check her out, a little performance, and so I'm gonna go over there and participate and be a good grandfather. It's all about family, guys, you know, that's what it comes down to me. But that's it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, any answers for me, whatever, you know, let me know. Leave me comments below. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, click the little bell button so that you get a notification when I post videos. With that being said, I'll see you guys mañana. We just got here right now. Say hi, Deb.
Hi.
We just got here right now. We're about to see a little performance from my granddaughter, Bella. And she's going to graduate into bigger and better things at kindergarten. So... We're waiting on Bella right now. She's about to perform. Say hi, Mom.
Vlog, babe. You're on the vlog. It's like YouTube, huh? You're gonna be YouTube famous.
We're waiting on Bella. Bella's about to perform right now. Oh, there she is.
Hernandez.